What if, and I'm going to show a picture of a blister, so if this makes you queasy, you can skip ahead or watch something else. But what if you are getting blisters like this from drumming? Ouch, right? That should not be happening. So I saw this on Reddit a couple days ago, and this guy was basically like, how do I keep this from happening? And so I responded and said, hey, watch step number 1 from my hand technique video. He watched it and responded, thanks, this is huge, right? And so I'm glad that he could watch it, and I thought, man, someone else out there might benefit from it as well. So I'm going to play that in just a second, and then I'd recommend you watch the entire hand technique video, and then head over to tempoleague.com, where the Better Hands course dives deep into lots of this kind of stuff, playing healthy in a healthy way, and all that stuff. But basically, what step 1 talks about is you don't want to be gripping the stick super, super hard and super tight. You want to be able to hold it between your thumb and first finger. The other fingers rest lightly on the stick, and you can play nice and loose and play for hours, and it's all good. So let me play step 1 now. Check it out, and then watch the whole hand technique video. Thanks for checking out Tempo League. I hope you have a great week. We'll see you next time. Let's talk about 8 hand technique tips that will drastically improve your drumming. So the first one is to loosen up, right? You might be squeezing really hard between your thumb and first finger, or you might be pulling the stick into your palm with these fingers, just grasping it really tight. So you don't want to do any of that. You really just want to barely hang on between your thumb and your first finger there, okay? So just barely hanging on. And whether you're playing from this stick height here or this, you're just barely hanging on in either case. Step 2